Rock Transformation Unit, Lesson 1.5, Examining Evidence About Rocks. Activity 4, Discussing How the Rocks Formed. Here's what your student screen looks like for this part of the lesson. Next, you and your partner will use evidence to determine how the Great Plains and Rocky Mountains formed. You'll compare the evidence cards to the characteristics of sedimentary and igneous rocks to determine what types of rocks are found in the two locations. This will help you determine how the rock in these landscapes formed. Remember to answer the questions at the bottom of your screens once you've determined what type of rocks are in each location. What do the observations tell you about the types of rock formations in the Rocky Mountains? You might respond, they are igneous rocks. How did these rocks form? You might say, they formed when magma cooled. How did the observations tell you? What did the observations tell you about the types of rock formations in the Great Plains? You might say they are sedimentary rocks. How did these rocks form? They form when sediment compacted and cemented together. Based on what we've figured out, let's discuss our claims and see if we can eliminate one. How did the rock of the Great Plains and Rocky Mountains form? Claim 1, they formed as one rock formation and then something separated them. Claim 2, one rock formation formed before the other. Then the minerals from the older rock became part of the younger rock. We have determined that the Rocky Mountain and Great Plains have different types of rock which formed through different processes. Based on this information, can you eliminate any claim? What are your initial ideas about whether the claim 2 is possible? We do not have enough information to know which rock formed first. That's what we will be investigating in Chapter 2. End of activity. Be sure to complete all your student work in Amplify for this activity before moving on.